The deep web is like the outer space of the internet. There's the regular web, which you're probably watching this video on, and the deep web, which is different and in some ways unknowable. Is the deep web a scary place, or is it misunderstood? We're going through the looking glass people, wearing our best tinfoil hats to discover the surprising truth about this secret online world. Here are 5 most interesting facts about the deep web. 5. Big businesses use it. This is news to me. Apparently, it's not unusual for companies with sensitive information to use the deep web for file sharing. Financial businesses, for example, synchronization and sharing software known as enterprises help them keep things on the down low. Maybe this sounds suspicious, but I guess the real question is, why wouldn't you go the deep web? Its secrecy and highly encrypted nature can be problematic, but that doesn't mean it can't be useful to people with good intentions too. 4. Artists. Turns out the deep web is great for people wanting to express themselves artistically. Not that the regular web is anti-artist, of course. It's just sometimes an artist will be rejected by mainstream platforms because they didn't follow the rules and regs. Artists have no such issues with the deep web. Probably best to avoid it if you're sensitive about criticism, though. This place is trolls like everywhere else online. 3. Deep web energy. Because the deep web is kind of invisible, it's easy to overlook the vast amounts of energy needed to power the thing. This subject is mysterious by its very nature. So let's look at a visible example: Microsoft. Reports state that the company's recent consumption of electricity went from 11 TWh to 24 TWh, equivalent to over 100 nations. So if the makers of Windows are using that much, what about the energy-intensive areas of the web we can't see? 2. Multilingual activity. The deep web is more open access than the regular or surface internet, meaning that US tech companies don't call the shots. As a result, you won't see a domination of the English language here. Sure, you can flick back and forth between languages through translation software, but the deep web is a rough and ready journey around the world, compared to the heavily organized package holiday of search engines and rankings. 1. Size of the deep web. How large is the deep web? Surprisingly, it's believed to be hundreds of times bigger than its visible counterpart. Considering the surface web seems mind-bogglingly vast, that's quite a stat. Why is it so much larger? Well, if the surface web is a gated community, then the deep web is the Wild West. It's unfiltered and untamed, making it trickier to navigate. It also makes it tough to work out what the true size is. This is all for today. Follow us for more facts.